Hi there. In this video, I will prove that trading crypto futures wisely, you can earn absolutely from nothing. Only $1 investments and no limits in earnings. Absolutely.
It's beautiful. Take your hat off, boy. That's a dollar bill.
I think that in 21st century, it's the greatest opportunity and the best profession ever. Just spend 1 or 2 years to learn the craft of trading and you will never need a job. You will never have a boss. You will never live from Monday to Friday. Now let's go. But before we start, I recommend you subscribing for our Telegram channel where we post high quality setups and different videos that can enhance your trading quality. Another interesting video about most efficient trading strategy you will find there. In the end of this video, you will get bonuses. I would like to show you one of the best strategy based on smart money concept. We call it trading from zones. The principle is simple. We find the small consolidation from 1 minute to 15 minutes time frame from where the impulse occurred. We must confirm that this consolidation contained enough volume to resist the price during the next approach to this zone. How we can detect it? We confirm it through special soft code attacks, where we can register heat maps of maximum volume. It's extremely important. We wait for the price to get back to this zone, and the price always reacts on these volumes. We enter here with the stop loss behind this zone. Here we fix our position. It could bring you from 0.5 to 2 or 5% of movement. There are dozens of such situations that worked out extremely well. Look at this. It works out with very high accuracy. It's one of the best strategies ever. Now let's watch how we can increase our deposit from only $1 using only this strategy. we see that if we can grow our deposit from nothing to $10, we can do $100 from 10. If you want to see this, please write it in the comments below. If you want to know how to detect the heat maps of volumes using ATES and to find out such greatest setups of zones to work it out, please join our community. And as I promised, the bonuses. Use this promo code to get 15% discount if you want to get our course with the unlimited access to the theory and practical lessons in our community. See you soon.